Hi, my name is Leanne from the College of Arts and Sciences. I am reaching out to you because it is time to get ready to register for spring classes. Due to COVID-19, your advisor registered you for fall courses, but you will be registering yourself for spring. To take advantage of the best course selection, you do not want to delay in getting ready to register, and here's how. First, you will have a hold on your account requiring you to meet with your academic advisor. Watch your BGSU emails for messages from them with additional information or instructions on how to meet with them. Second, get ready for this mandatory advising appointment. There are several links to instructional videos at the bottom of this email message. Take control of your educational career. You can learn this. These videos will show you how to know what courses to take by learning how to use your major check sheet, degree audit, and graduation plan. The videos will also show you how to register and search for classes. A couple of reminders. The spring schedule of classes will be published on October 5th. Take a look to see what classes will be offered. The spring registration window for current students opens on October 26th and runs through November 5th. The day you can start registering during these dates will be posted in your student center. Register as early as possible for the best course selection. Take control. You can do this. Remember, we are always here to help you with your questions or to explain something you don't understand as you learn how to choose and register for your spring classes.